Ashish Khaitan, Sanjay Jha, Sambit Patra, and Karan Singh is a senior volunteer of Awam, which is, I think, an ex-Aam Aadmi Party Volunteers Association. Ashish Khaitan, big blow to you. Sambit Patra? Sambit Patra, what is the impact in your view of Shanti Bhushan's quitting the Aam Aadmi Party?
See, Arnab, today I have been reduced as a bystander in the debate also. I would rather sit down, have a cup of coffee and enjoy, because most of our opponents are speaking what we should be speaking. Today, when a veteran leader like Shanti Bhushan speaks, the truth of Aam Aadmi Party, exposes the Aam Aadmi Party, all I have to say is, look, at this age, Shanti Bhushan does not want to become the chief minister. He does not aspire for a post or for money. All he aspires for is truth. And today he has exposed the Aam Aadmi Party. It is a body blow to the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party's ambition, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal's ambition has been exposed. I was listening to Mr. Shanti Bhushan's interview, and he told that Arvind Kejriwal confided to him. Arvind Kejriwal, I repeat, confided to him that I don't work in institutions where I am not the lone voice. That means Mr. Arvind Kejriwal works only in those institutions where he alone is heard and no one else is heard. Such is the democracy of Aam Aadmi Party. And Mr. Shanti Bhushan categorically and emphatically states that Kiran Bedi versus Kejriwal would be better for the chief minister because she is clean, she is efficient, and she can provide governance. Meaning Kejriwal is neither clean nor efficient nor can provide clear governance to Delhi. This is, I repeat, a body blow to the Aam Aadmi Party. The rug from under the feet of Aam Aadmi Party has been pulled by none other than the founding fathers of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Ashish Khaitan, don't run Shanti Bhushan down. Don't go away from the debate. A key founder of your party, has endorsed Kiran Bedi's candidature. A. B. has run you down in the same breath. Come on record expressing apprehension with the directions the Aam Aadmi Party has taken. Alleged all kinds of things in the way tickets are being distributed in the Aam Aadmi Party, including allegations that tickets are being sold by the Aam Aadmi Party. Raised eyebrows over the compromises made by the Aam Aadmi Party. Will you survive this blow? Will you survive this blow less than 2 weeks before the elections?
Today, Aam Aadmi Party belongs to those 10,000 volunteers who day before yesterday
so Shanti Bhushan doesn't matter.
To express their solidarity for Arvind Kejriwal when he went to file nomination. Today, Aam Aadmi Party belongs to that volunteer who forgoes his 100 rupees of daily wages and comes and campaigns for the party. Today, Aam Aadmi Party belongs to all those volunteers, 50,000 volunteer strong force in Delhi who are putting in their blood, tear and toil.
This is what anyone who questions Kejriwal does not matter.
Party to win. Today, Aam Aadmi Party belongs to the common man who wants a corruption-free Delhi. Today, Aam Aadmi Party belongs to
I'm talking about the founder of your party, Ashish Khaitan.
Today, Aam Aadmi Party
Ashish, do you see the consequences of speaking like this?
Who wants the loot of the Bijli company to stop in Delhi? So today, Aam Aadmi Party is not the property of one man,
has become Arvind
two
alone party.
Aam Aadmi Party.
Today, the Aam Aadmi Party has become Arvind alone party. Why do you have to lecture so much? Here is the truth.
In the run-up to the 2014 elections, there were similar voices of dissent, of disagreement, of rebellion within the Bharatiya Janata Party. Where are those voices today? Any voice which goes against the hopes and aspirations of the people will get drowned. And that, where is Murli Manohar Joshi today? Where is Lal Krishna Advani today?
Amazing argument.
Lal Krishna Advani
amazing argument, Ashish Khaitan. Amazing argument, Ashish Khaitan. This is one of the finest moments, I think, on a News Hour debate where the Aam Aadmi Party, one second, the Aam Aadmi Party.
You're rattled, Ashish, today. You're rattled.
Karan Singh is coming into the debate, so is Sanjay Jha. Karan Singh, please first. Karan Singh.
Don't send people
Karan Singh, senior volunteer with the Awam.
मैं आशीष की बात को आगे
करण सिंह जी कहिए प्लीज। करण सिंह, आशीष खैतान, करण सिंह की बात सुनिए।
केवल यसमैन जो भी लोग हाँ में हाँ मिलाते हैं, केवल हाँ में हाँ मिलाने वाले लोगों की पार्टी बची है। जो आदमी क्वेश्चन रेज करते हैं पार्टी की इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी को लेके, वो सब लोग बिलोंग नहीं करते। आज शांति भूषण जी अगर सवाल उठा रहे हैं, पार्टी के फाउंडर सब लोग जानते हैं, वो सीनियर मोस्ट पर्सन है पार्टी के, उनका जो अनुभव।
करण सिंह ऑफ आवाम, करण सिंह है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रॉक्सियों को आपने बैठा रखा है। सुनिए अर्नब गोस्वामी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के 2 प्रवक्ताओं को मत बैठाइए।
जी जी हाँ, अभी
ये दूसरे
मिस्टर आशीष खेतान, मिस्टर आशीष खेतान, मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ सचिवालय में, अरविंद केजरीवाल की गवर्नमेंट में मैं दिल्ली का चीफ ग्रीवेंस रिजोल्यूशन ऑफिसर था। अरविंद थे मुझे अपॉइंट करने वाले। और अभी कुमार विश्वास शांति भूषण जी को कह रहे थे कि वो बीजेपी के कोषाध्यक्ष थे। इस पार्टी में एक जो ट्रेंड बन गया है, जो भी पार्टी में इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी को लेकर सवाल उठाता है वो बीजेपी का एजेंट, वो कांग्रेस का एजेंट। मैं करण सिंह हूँ, आशीष खेतान, मैं वो करण सिंह हूँ जिन्होंने 28 सीटें इस पार्टी को जिताई है। हम लोग वो थे।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी, पीपल नो योर रियलिटी, द वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ आम आदमी पार्टी नो योर रियलिटी।
हम वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए खून पसीना एक करके 28 सीटें दिलवाई। और आप आशीष खेतान और आशुतोष जैसे लोग 28 सीटें जीतने के बाद पार्टी में आई है मलाई खाने के लिए। आप लोग अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक तो आप लोग हो। जिस दिन हम दिल्ली की गलियों में घूम रहे थे अरविंद केजरीवाल को बताने के लिए, उस दिन आप कहाँ थे? उसी दिन आशुतोष खड़े पे था। लोगों ने नौकरियां छोड़ी, काम धंधे छोड़े।
आशीष खेतान, प्लीज 1 second. No, please. Ashish Khaitan, a minute. 1 second. Just calm down. 1 second. Karan Singh, please stop. Karan Singh जी 1 minute. 1 minute मैंने बात सुन ली। मेरी बात सुन लीजिए। आशीष खेतान, प्लीज स्टॉप। Ashish Khaitan, please stop. Ashish Khaitan, please stop. 1 minute. First of all, Ashish Khaitan, calm down. Ashish, please. Ashish, don't be so self-righteous.
करण सिंह कौन है?
Ashish, don't be so self-righteous. Do not be so self-righteous, Ashish.
पलने वाले लोग यहाँ पर आके बैठ के डिबेट कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, 1 minute. Now, will you please stop, both of you? Otherwise, 1 second. Please stop. No, Mr. Ashish Khaitan, please stop, please. You can't continue. This is not an Aam Aadmi Party rally. Listen to me for a minute. Mr. Ashish Khaitan.
अर्णव, एक बात और मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
Oh God, please stop for a minute.
कहना चाहता हूँ, किरण बेदी आज अगर आम आदमी पार्टी में नहीं है,
Will you stop please for a minute? आप जरा 1 मिनट रुक जाइए,
पीछे अरविंद केजरीवाल की कार्यशैली है।
This is the classical example of
केजरीवाल
hierarchy.
की कार्यशैली की वजह से किरण बेदी आज आम आदमी पार्टी में नहीं है। नहीं तो आंदोलन के बाद आम आदमी पार्टी में किरण बेदी भी होती।
Okay, now will you please stop now for a minute, Mr. Ashish Khaitan? Mr. Khaitan, will you stop for a minute? I am requesting you.
You don't deserve to be on this channel or any
Mr. Khaitan, please stop for a minute. Mr. Khaitan, please stop for a minute. Mr. Khaitan, please stop for a minute. For a minute, stop, please.
Corruption free government जाती है।
अच्छा, we'll put Ashish Khaitan full frame on the screen. Let him complete till he speaks. Okay, put him. Let him.
दिल्ली की जनता अनिल अंबानी की बिजली कंपनी की लूट का हल चाहती है और तुम उन लोगों के साथ मिले हुए हो, उनके टुकड़ों पे पल रहे हो और इस चैनल पर आकर तुम इस चैनल का मिसयूज कर रहे हो। You should not be allowed on a national channel like this.
मैं वही व्यक्ति हूँ।
Who are you?
अरविंद की गवर्नमेंट
नोबडी
पे काम किया।
नोबडी
जिसने अरविंद के साथ सैलरी पे काम किया दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट में। मेरी ईमानदारी पे अगर आप सवाल उठाते हो, मैंने अरविंद केजरीवाल को हमने जंतर मंतर पे बुलाया कि ओपन डिबेट के लिए आइए। आप किरण बेदी को चैलेंज करते हो, हम चैलेंज करते हैं आप सबको कि आप हमारे सामने आके जवाब दो। हमारे पास जो आपके कच्चे चिट्ठे हैं, जो हमारे पास सबूत है, उनका जवाब दो। आप पब्लिक में आके अपने कार्यकर्ता को तो जवाब दो। आप दूसरे लोगों से डिबेट की बात करते हो।
I will walk away from this debate if you have a cheater, a dishonest man like Karan Singh on your channel. He's a cheater, he's a dishonest man, he's a scamster, he's a fraud.
जिन लोगों ने खून पसीना दिया उनको आप देशद्रोही गद्दार कहते हो।
I'm ready to have a debate with other panelists,
यहाँ क्रिमिनल
but I'm not ready to have a debate.
उन लोगों को आज आप ईमानदारी का मेडल दे रहे हो। आप कौन लोग होते हो कि देशद्रोही और गद्दार कहने वाले ऐसे लोगों को जो नौकरियां छोड़ के आए एनआरआई लोग मैंने देखा है। बाबा वाला 10,000 रुपए दे के डोनेशन दे के जाता है पार्टी में इस उम्मीद में कि ये देश के लिए कुछ बदलेगी, नई राजनीति लाने के लिए ये पार्टी बनी थी। ये पार्टी अरविंद केजरीवाल की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है। ये आशीष खेतान और आशुतोष की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, ये सारे हिंदुस्तान के
Lines are open now.
और इस पार्टी को
Lines are open now. Lines will be open now. And please, Mr. Ashish Khaitan, please stop for a minute. Please stop for a minute. Stop for a minute. Stop for a minute. And also to Karan Singh, stop. This is not, this has to stop now. Please, I have listened to this for long enough. I'm making a genuine request. I'm opening up the phone lines. You please stop. And I'll tell you one thing, Ashish Khaitan. Please remember this. You've been a journalist and so am I. I don't have to take anyone's permission on who I call on the program. Anyone who disagrees with you is on somebody's payrolls. Will you say Shanti Bhushan is on somebody's payrolls?
Is this done?
Is the founder of your party on somebody's payrolls? Somebody who doesn't agree with you is on somebody's payrolls? Shanti Bhushan, Shanti Bhushan, it is, if you are frustrated that Shanti Bhushan has spoken out against Arvind Kejriwal, let me remind you, Ashish Khaitan, zara sun lijiye, why don't you listen? Why don't you listen? If there is a problem inside Aam Aadmi Party, it is not everyone's issue, everyone's not created it, it is your internal problem. And Mr. I'll quote, Ashish Khaitan, you must start listening. Please listen for a minute. Will you listen to me? ये देखिए, don't be so arrogant. Don't be so arrogant. Ashish, don't be so arrogant. I will not, don't demean, don't insult people like this. What is going on here, Ashish? Ashish, I'll tell you one. Ashish, 1 second. Mr. Khaitan, please don't be so arrogant and don't be so insulting towards my panelists. I don't think you can talk about a fellow panelist like that. You may disagree with him. You may have differences with him. You cannot call him names on the program like this. I will not throw him out. I will not throw him out from the program because you are asking me to. Sanjay Jha.
Sanjay Jha. I will sit quiet. I will sit
Mr. Ashish Khaitan, please, Mr. Khaitan, please remember this. People are watching you now. Mr. Khaitan, people are watching all over India. People are watching you now. All over India, people are watching. You are not even willing to listen. Anyone who disagrees with you, you insult him on the program.
I am not shying away from any debate.
Mr. Khaitan,
I request you to just keep quiet for a short time.
With a man who was expelled from the party for anti-party activities, who was caught taking money from the Bharatiya Janata Party, who was being funded from Bharatiya Janata Party.
I really think, Mr. Ashish Khaitan, you have gone overboard today. Sanjay Jha, what really is the issue here? You see,
If you don't want to have a debate, I will sit back and I won't say a word. You guys can continue. You can continue.
आप भूलिए मत, इतनी जल्दी मत भूलिए.
You can continue.
और अरविंद, अगर आज शांति भूषण जी का चेहरा नहीं होता तो आप उनको भी निकाल देते. बीजेपी कांग्रेस का एलिगेशन लगा के आप शांति भूषण जी पे भी कार्रवाई करते. आप लोग डर रहे हैं इस समय पे, इस वजह से शांति भूषण जी पे आप लोग कार्रवाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
I'll tell you one thing. Okay, so Ashish Khaitan, 1 minute please. First of all, so much self-righteous outrage. You see, Ashish, you're new to politics. People join parties, they leave them, they have differences. It is, Ashish, you're not listening. You're not listening, my friend. You are not listening, Ashish. You have to listen, Ashish. You have to listen now. You have to listen to me, for God's sake. People are watching you on television. What are you doing, Ashish?
In the previous election,
oh God, please. I really give up now. Sanjay Jha, why do you, what really, Sanjay Jha, is this, Sanjay Jha, the only thing is there no, can we have Sanjay Jha to respond to this? Can I just have Sanjay Jha on the screen, please? What's going on here? Sanjay Jha and Sambit Patra, what's going on here?
Sanjay Jha is happy that he is missing out on Janardhan Dwivedi because of the din in the house.
No, I don't know what's going on, but I don't see the reason for such extreme sensitivity on.
I mean, that's a pathetic statement by Patra.
Yeah, go ahead, Sanjay. Go ahead, Sanjay.
P for Patra and P for a pathetic statement.
No, go ahead, Sanjay. Let Sanjay speak.
I mean, let's have a mature debate here. Yeah. Arnab, I think the critical point is, I think the disclosure, a sensational disclosure made by Kumar Vishwas earlier in your program. I heard his interview where he said that Kiran Bedi was a political mole essentially representing the Bharatiya Janata Party in the India Against Corruption campaign. I think that, to my mind, Arnab, is probably the most revealing statement on Kiran Bedi that anybody's ever made over the last several years. It actually tells the public of India, not just the people of Delhi, that Kiran Bedi was doing nothing but playing a huge political master stroke to defeat the government for whatever reason she was against the Congress party. And I think that is taking not just the people of Delhi for a ride, but taking the people of India for a ride. And I want to make a statement on your channel today, Arnab. If today Narendra Modi is occupying 7 Racecourse Road, it is entirely because he and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Can you please request Sambit Patra to calm down? Sambit, please maintain some decency, my dear friend.
There was only one Kumar Biswas talking
Mr.
about
Narendra Modi is 7 Racecourse Road. He's become the Prime Minister of India because he shot from the shoulders. He shot from the shoulders.
Think about that.
He shot from the shoulders of an anti-corruption agitation. Sambit, can you please, for heaven's sake, once in a while, display some maturity, my dear friend? So the point I'm going to make, Arnab, is
no need to.
Look at the gravitas of this issue.
If you want maturity,
if today, one minute, the entire country, this is a larger issue. This is the larger issue of a very elastic morality in politics.
Sanjay,
entire agitation is run. The Congress government, I have gone on record. I have gone on record and written an article that the Congress-led UPA lost the elections in 2011 because of the extremely intense campaign done by Anna Hazare and the rest of the team. But look at what has happened subsequently. You're now having a revelation on your channel, and I'm assuming millions have watched this statement of Kumar Vishwas, and I would like to see if Kiran Bedi retorts to that tomorrow, because that is a serious allegation.
Absolutely, it is. I think Ashish Khaitan should respond to that.
Nothing but a fraud and a fake with a political motive.
Yeah, Ashish Khaitan should respond to that, actually. Ashish Khaitan to respond to the revelation made by Kumar Vishwas today, that Kumar Vishwas says that during the India Against Corruption movement, when Ashish, you were not with the Aam Aadmi Party yet, you were working as a journalist, he says that in the meetings and elsewhere of the India Against Corruption, Kiran Bedi would say that please don't criticize the BJP or don't take up anti-BJP issues. Now, if the Aam Aadmi Party is born out of India Against Corruption, which was born out of a philosophy, don't take on the BJP very hard, what was this? Just an anti-Congress movement, a pro-BJP movement, a pro-BJP movement by proxy? Is the Aam Aadmi Party's roots in a pro-BJP movement by proxy? Would you care to explain whether you believe or are concerned with the revelation made by Kumar Vishwas a few minutes back on the News Hour? That question goes out from Sanjay, repeated by me, to the Aam Aadmi Party. Ashish, respond.
Yes, see, at that time I was a journalist, and many journalists, including me, had suspicion that there were certain elements, certain characters in the India Against Corruption movement who were sympathetic towards BJP or were moles of BJP. Baba Ramdev was one who had come on the stage a couple of times.
Moles of BJP.
Now, Mr. Kumar Vishwas, who was an integral part of the India Against Corruption movement, has come on record to say that Ms. Bedi used to dissuade Arvind Kejriwal and others from making statements against BJP, for bringing out corruption of BJP out in the open.
But why was it not spoken about? Why was she not thrown out of the movement then? That goes against the character of these being an... that means... But why did... but tell me... Ashish, a minute. Ashish, a counter question. A counter question to you, Ashish. A counter question to you. This is a huge revelation. I'm telling you, this is going to be a hot subject of political debate by tomorrow. I think Congress and BJP, everyone's watching this. What you're saying is that there were people within the movement of India Against Corruption who used to say, don't take on the BJP. But what did the people of this country feel? They felt this was a neutral movement. My question is, if this was a fact, tell me once when Arvind Kejriwal spoke about this, what position did he take against it? And since Arvind Kejriwal is your party chief, and if these are statements made by you and Kumar Vishwas, please tell me, why was Arvind Kejriwal quiet then? Sanjay is asking you.
Yeah, I think...
That means Arvind Kejriwal compromises.
No, because Anna Hazare was leading the movement. Anna
What?
Hazare was the captain of the movement, and Anna Hazare had told everybody that Miss Kiran Bedi's sympathies towards BJP or whatever the internal discussions
What?
were should not go out.
Should
Anna
not go out?
Hazare was in the lead, and Arvind Kejriwal was his lieutenant.
Should not
and
go
so
out?
were Miss Kiran Bedi and others.
No, you are, no, 1 second.
but there's
No,
an
what is
important
going on
point I
here?
have to make, Arnav.
No, 1
Just give me
second.
1 minute. Just give me 10 seconds.
What is
Just
going
give me
on
10
here? No, no,
seconds. Just give me 10 seconds.
Ashish,
1
more
second.
and more is coming
10
out.
seconds.
Sambit Patra
10
is
seconds.
responding. You are
10
saying
seconds.
Anna Hazare. We are going to get a reaction
10
from Anna
seconds.
Hazare to this.
Arnav,
This
10
has become a
seconds.
bigger controversy.
Why did Kejriwal
You
not
are
lead
saying
the movement
Can I
then?
respond?
No, no,
Give a
Arnav,
small
my-
10
no, 1
seconds.
second. No, no. Sambit asking for clarification.
As
Sambit,
this movement
Sambit.
rolling out
to
in the
become
Or
a
not,
bona fide
my
political
question
party,
is, if all
there was
this was
natural
happening,
process of
if
filters.
Kejriwal knew all this,
all those
why
elements
was
who were
Kejriwal
sympathetic
still
towards
part of the
BJP or any
movement?
other political
Why
party,
was not
or had come
Kejriwal?
with
Why
some
was not
hidden
Kejriwal
agenda,
leaving Anna
they
then?
naturally got thrown out or they moved away from the party.
No, no, there is no,
See,
no, no,
that's
there is
how when the
no.
movement
A counter
made a
question from
transition
Sambit.
towards the political
Sambit,
party.
this is a very
where
big
we didn't
issue.
have,
This is a very big
genuine
issue. The
bona
counter
fide
question is
desire to
coming from
change the-
Sambit Patra, please.
to
Sambit
change
is
the
asking
system,
you a
to fix
question.
the
Let him.
system.
I'm allowing
They moved
Sambit to
away.
come
Let the
in.
anarchist
They
be
moved
quiet, I
away.
will
They
speak.
didn't
Don't
the
call him
anarchist
names,
be
just
quiet.
ask the question. Stop calling anyone names.
struggle.
But he has to be quiet, no. Now the question is twofold. First question, if Kejriwal knew all this thing, if all these things were transpiring behind closed doors, that molds of BJP were present and BJP was being protected, why did not Kejriwal just reject Anna movement and come out and start a movement of his own? And secondly, if even Kejriwal was a BJP mole and was standing with all the BJP moles, then why should people in Delhi today vote for the duplicate photocopy Kejriwal? Why not vote for the original Bharatiya Janata Party? This is the question.
It's a very serious charge, Ashish, because you are admitting today Arvind Kejriwal
Yeah,
knew.
can I respond
No,
to
I'm
that?
repeating this.
Yeah.
You are saying Arvind Kejriwal knew. You are saying Arvind Kejriwal knew that people like Kiran Bedi were pro BJP, had pro BJP slant, did not want to take up issues that would hurt the BJP. This is a very, very, very important point. So Sanjay is asking you a counter question. I pass it to Sanjay that if Arvind Kejriwal knew that this was it, then
Can I
why?
respond?
No, what's
Can I respond?
that means this is you are making a big charge against your own leader Arvind Kejriwal that he knew and went along with it. That he was quiet.
Can
So
I
was
respond?
Arvind Kejriwal being used
Can
by
I
the
respond?
BJP. This actually
I
will go against you in a big
Arnav,
way.
I'll give you
Sanjay
one
Jha,
example.
Sanjay Jha, please. Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha.
Give me the time to
Sanjay Jha, I'll respond to you, but after Sanjay Jha's counter question.
No,
Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha.
Mr. VK Singh, their will didn't prevail.
Ashish, just a
Their will
minute.
didn't
Ashish,
prevail.
just a minute.
No,
Eventually,
counter. No, sir, this is a big
My
charge.
friend, 1 minute.
Sanjay Jha.
Arvind Kejriwal
Sanjay Jha is asking a counter, sir. Let him.
Ashish, just 1 minute.
Sanjay Jha is taking you on this. And you must
pull out
answer
on the
after he
record.
speaks.
You can
Sanjay
pull out the
Jha.
video footage of
Yeah,
that time.
Everyone's talking about it. This is
You
a
know,
big charge. I'm extending the news out tonight.
Arvind-
No, 1 second. I was first want to make an announcement. First want to make an announcement. No, 1 second. We were about to close the news hour debate 2 minutes from now. But because this has become a big talking point, with your permission, Sambit Patra, Sanjay Jha and Ashish Khaitan will stay on. We are extending this news hour debate.
Yeah, please do.
Because this is
Please do.
becoming a very important fact. First revealed by Kumar Vishwas, reiterated by Ashish Khaitan. They have said so. Questions will be asked. If Arvind Kejriwal knew that Kiran Bedi was a pro-BJP person and was asking in internal meetings not to raise issues of corruption vis-a-vis BJP state governments, and did Arvind Kejriwal speak a word, Sanjay Jha? No. I don't remember Arvind Kejriwal having said a word about this.
You know,
This could be a huge controversy ahead of the Delhi
I met
elections.
Arvind Kejriwal a couple of... Absolutely. You know, Arvind Kejriwal was attending an event in Mumbai a few weeks ago, hosted by a media organization. And I asked him that question. I asked him that, Arvind, isn't it very strange that ever since we passed the Lokpal in December of last year, you have a BJP government at the center for the past 8 months. Nobody is talking about the Lokpal's implementation. And you don't seem to be bothered about it, considering you are a product, you are a political personality originated from an India Against Corruption movement on the Lokpal. He didn't have an answer. And I told him that there's been a huge accidental faux pas by your party, because the Aam Aadmi Party released a poster where they said Modi for Prime Minister, Kejriwal for Chief Minister. And I can tell you, Arnab, that was actually actually out there. It's all over the internet, all over the place. It was suddenly withdrawn by the Aam Aadmi Party. And the explanation given by Arvind was not convincing. So I can tell you somewhere Arvind Kejriwal has allowed himself to be morally compromised as well. And there is no denying that end of day, there was a huge sympathy between India against corruption, became a movement India against Congress. Kumar Vishwas has said so. I think Ashish, in all honesty, as a journalist, has admitted that that was a reality. And I remember reading reports that there was significant and substantial funding by the RSS, especially with Baba Ramdev and all getting into play, that it became a political weapon. I think the Bharatiya Janata Party won the election because the Congress was destroyed in 2011 itself. I have told this internally to my Congress party colleagues. I will share it with you on your panel, that I told people in the Congress that after 2011, we were just trying to arrest a slide because the public perception had completely damaged us.
So was Kejriwal a BJP sympathizer? I mean, I see no other reason. 1 second. So the basic issue is, Ashish, of course you have to clarify. You see, the only reason, look at the facts on the play table. 1 second. Ashish, I'm going to give you a full opportunity to speak. I'm just reiterating the way the story is developed on the program over the last 30 minutes. Fact comes out. Did Kiran Bedi speak for the BJP? Yes. Did she speak in internal meetings of India against corruption? Yes. Was Kiran Bedi saying that we don't take on the BJP on issues of corruption? Yes. Were there suspicions about it? Yes. Did Arvind Kejriwal know? Yes. Is there proof it happened? Yes. Why did Arvind Kejriwal not speak? Because you are saying Anna Hazare told Arvind Kejriwal, don't make this an issue, which means, in other words, your entire movement was politically slanted from the start. That you had decided to go soft on the BJP and hard on the Congress. In other words, you cheated the people into believing that you were an apolitical group from the start. And now all of this is coming out because Kiran Bedi has left your flock. This is a very serious moment in this debate.
Now let me respond.
And we have 9 more minutes. Ashish Khaitan.
Pass the verdict.
No, I'm not past verdict. I have enumerated facts. I protest. I have enumerated facts.
No, you have to give me the chance. Otherwise, this is not a fair.
No, I have enumerated facts, Ashish.
Going on and on. You have to give me the time to respond.
I have enumerated facts. Don't say past verdict.
Justice Santosh Hegde, who was an integral part of India Against Corruption movement, was the Lokayukt of Karnataka, and he passed 2 volumes of damning reports with damning evidence against the BJP government of Karnataka, that how the BJP chief minister was involved in a massive iron ore mining scam. Justice Santosh Hegde, being part of India Against Corruption movement, brought out damaging report which annihilated BJP from Karnataka. 2, Arvind Kejriwal did a press conference against the corruption of the Modi government, his underhand deals with the so-called petroleum company which was formed just
show me one moment.
The Aam Aadmi Party from the elections
in KG-D6 basin. Now let me complete. Arvind
Sir, this will have major implications on the Delhi elections. Ashish, be careful of what you're saying.
The fact is, this is not fair, Arnav. You have to give me the time to respond. Prashant Bhushan has filed PILs against the BJP government of Chhattisgarh. Prashant Bhushan has filed PILs against the corruption of BJP government in several other places. Prashant Bhushan was an integral part of the India Against Corruption movement. And Arvind Kejriwal himself went and fought elections against Narendra Modi.
No, didn't fight elections. So how many statements did Arvind Kejriwal made against BJP state governments?
Went and fought elections against Narendra Modi.
No, but you just said there was an implicit understanding within, because of, you said there was an implicit understanding not to take on the BJP. No, but you said there was an implicit understanding not to take on the BJP because of Anna Hazare's guidance.
Goswami also only wants to hear.
No, but you had just said that. I'm repeating what you said. Did you just say?
Suits your narrative for the
Did you just say, Ashish, that you said that Anna Hazare told Arvind Kejriwal not to make a big issue of the fact that people like Kiran Bedi were pro-BJP?
16-point expose against the corruption of Modi government in Gujarat.
Ashish, now are you going back on what you said? Because I'll play that clip also. Let's play the whole clip.
Arvind Kejriwal went on a tour of Gujarat, brought out a 16-point expose on Modi's corruption in Gujarat. Arvind Kejriwal went and fought election against Modi in Varanasi. Arvind Kejriwal emerged today. Arvind Kejriwal is the main challenger, the only challenger to BJP in this electoral battle of Delhi.
What did he achieve by doing all these gimmicks?
What are you talking about? Today, when the goons of BJP are engineering riots in Trilokpuri and Bhavana, who is fighting against the goons of BJP on the streets of Delhi? It's the Aam Aadmi Party and its volunteers.
Mr.
Aam Aadmi Party and its volunteers
don't call
is
anyone
fighting
goons of
against
BJP,
the politics
or
of
else I'll start
riots
calling you
that
anarchist
BJP is
right now.
indulging in Delhi.
Will this
Aam
anarchist
Aadmi
hold
Party
his
is the
tongue
only
now?
challenger against the communal politics
When
of BJP in Delhi.
when
Where is
exposed, you take
Congress
on to
today?
all these name
Congress's
calling, Mr. Anarchist.
corporator
Stop
was
that.
part of the Mahapanchayat
You
in
have been
Bhavana,
caught today. You
the
have been
same
exposed today.
Mahapanchayat which
You have
was,
fallen into your
which
own
was
trap today,
anti-minority and
Mr. Anarchist.
anti-Muslim. What is Congress talking about? What is Congress talking about? Congress's own flocks are deserting Congress every day. It is the Aam Aadmi Party which is emerging as the biggest, the only challenger to the BJP.
Mr. Ashish Khaitan, I wish you had answered my question. I give you one more turn. I'll try once more. Sanjay Jha, I'm going back and giving one more turn. And by the way, the moment I get the tape, I'm going to play it.
Bahujan Samaj Party.
Why? 1 second. Now, Mr. Ashish Khaitan, you see, there are things which you say on record which remain on record. There are things Kumar Vishwas says on record which remain on record. And can you not hear me now? I'm sure you can hear me now. I am actually quite sure that you can hear me now.